Today is December 21st, 2018. It's almost 3 p.m., so I'm not going to be in here very long today. And it is 73 degrees in here. What I'm going to paint today is the bottom section. I'm just going to do the exterior. I know at one point I wanted to do everything, but I'm just going to do the exterior and see how the odor is. And I did take the tape off the gold. There's some spots where the paint pulled off and probably where the tape overlapped. So I'll just touch that up too. But I am done for the day. So I got the base of the cabinets painted. And yeah, I went ahead and painted inside after all, because I remembered my clothes are going in those drawers. Those are openings for the drawers. And yeah, I don't need my clothes stinking like cigarettes, just in case. This area will be sealed down completely. Let me see how, I don't know. Anyhow, this area will be sealed down completely. And then, of course, it'll have the little lift doors on the front. So, because it's still a nice little storage spot over here. You know, there's some storage in here. But it will be, I hope this didn't turn, it will be sealed off with the flooring. Anyhow, it's going to be sealed off. This section will be totally sealed off, so my only access will be through those doors. And it is about 4:30, maybe 4:45 in the evening, and it's 70 degrees in here, so that'll be nice. Give me some time to cure and dry overnight. Then tomorrow I'll be back down to do some more painting. It is Saturday, December 22nd, 2018. The temperature in here is almost 71, so that's nice. I'm going to get a lot of this junk out of here today, but I'm still going to paint first. So we are ready for color. And okay, get ready. Here's our last color choice. Okay, so on the camera it looks like it's really super bright green, but it's kind of an olive green, I hope. And just took this in and had it shaken. And I'm going to do this on the bottom cabinets. And then the top cabinet doors will also get the green, and the bottom cabinet doors will get that peachy color, just like I did the bathroom, except the bathroom's different colors. And each time I start a new color, I start a fresh roller, of course. And my paintbrushes are getting pretty worn out, so I'll start with a fresh paintbrush as well for cutting in the corners and such. Here's the first coat. What am I doing? I don't know. I'm beginning to question myself. I thought it was cool at the time, but I guess I can open up a Cantina. Oh well, we'll go with it. Okay, the first coat of green is on the doors and on the bottom cabinets. And these green doors will be hung against the peach. And then these two doors will be painted the peach color. But I'll get to those later. I'm going to clean up this clutter. It is bad. I'm not digging this. I think the gray will be better. So Oh well, at least I tried, right? But I'm not digging this at all. I don't think I'm gonna like it. So I'll get the gray out and cover all this up when this cures. Plus, this is a flat paint. This is a flat paint, and I've been going with semi-gloss. And I bought polyurethane to put over it, but my concerns are what happens when the polyurethane starts to get a little aged. Does it peel? I don't know. Oh well. It was an attempt. It's something weird. This is what it would look like. What am I thinking? Kindergarten? No. I've had a lot of interruptions today, so I'm not getting a whole lot done, but I figured I'll just prep this area for painting. And clean that up because I took that funky, see that out there? Yeah, I took that off the window. I was just using it for a little bit of an extra protection barrier because it was already there. But it's gone now, it's out. I get the windows fixed. And clean this up because I just took the temperature thing off the wall. Took the screw out. Not too sure what I'm going to do there. Do I keep that for nostalgia or not? I guess for now, I'm not going to worry about it. But it needs a lot of cleanup. Old 8-track. It's like 2:30 in the afternoon, and I'm going to remedy this thing right now. Okay, is that better? I haven't finished, but I got the one section done. So I have to paint the doors, paint this side, and we'll be back to champagne, chandeliers, and wine instead of margaritas, chips, and salsa. However, I will still serve margaritas, chips, and salsa. I want mine with frozen with salt, please. Okay, took a little less than an hour. I think I'm going to like that better. And the gray is going to look really nice against that tannish peaches color. Actually, it's just called peach because it is what it is. But that's going to look nice against it. And the bottom cabinets, of course, darker. That way they won't get as dirty as easily. However, I'm still painting the doors a lighter color down there. And those are the upper doors for up here. And I did clear out a bunch of stuff. So it's like 3:30, so it's still kind of early, but I'm getting really sore. So I'm going to go and get some water and clean up that wall over there by the window and that little section up there and the overhead thing. And it's pretty rough. It's pretty rough, but it is what it is. I have a fancy little plate to put over that. Thanks, Train. Thank you, Train. Anyhow, I have something to put over that. And we'll just have some character. Thanks, Train. Time to stop now, Train. Okay, so we'll have some character flaws. Yeah, life with a train. Here's my stack of rollers for each color of paint. This one was too big for the area I was working in. But yeah, there you go. The green, we're done. We're done. So hopefully, if the weather holds, I'll come down tomorrow, do a second coat. Let all this dry and cure. I see a spot on that cabinet door that I need to fix. Let's see if I can do it with brush. Oh, okay. See, sometimes little things get stuck on there. Like, there was some lint. I'm glad I saw that, because I don't like stuff like that. I've already wrapped up my roller. Anyhow, yeah. Let's hope that the weather's nice tomorrow. And I can come down here and do another coat. I'd like to finish the bathroom, but I still have to do that sink. I have to hang the door. That's no big deal. That'd only take a few minutes. And I'd like to start prepping the kitchen and the living room areas for painting. So that would be wonderful. So I'm going to cut off this video. It's not 83 in here, but putting that in the window made it 83. So anyhow, thanks for watching another episode of the Twinkie Reno. And we're coming up on Christmas soon. I wanted to have it done by Christmas, but that goal's not met. But maybe I can have it done sometime in January. That would be awesome still. Okay, so I will catch y'all later and live the life you love. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your comments. I really appreciate y'all. Bye-bye.